What is up, everyone? Is Ryan, living in Cambodia, making videos, sharing this cool country with you. Commence country sharing now. I'm standing in front of an iconic building here in Phnom Penh. I've never really been in this building for some reason, and I'm not sure why, because it is somewhat of a tourist attraction. We're talking about the Central Post Office, headquarters of Cambodia Post and the first post office in Cambodia. That there is a French colonial building. It was opened up in 1895. And since 1895, it's been a post office. It's still a post office. It will always be a post office. Oh, and Starbucks as well now. We're gonna go in, we're gonna check it out. You guys are gonna get some facts from me. You'll be slightly impressed by them. You'll forget them shortly after. But yeah, should be good, should be fun. And I'm actually planning to try to open a P.O. box in Cambodia's first post office. Sounds fun, right? Sounds cool. My hope is that I can give you my P.O. box numbers and you guys can send me presents. Presents! This is all just a big scam to get presents, actually, so let's hope that works out. So all this open space out in front here, it's kind of a road now, but they didn't really have a road back then, and well, it's a parking lot as well. But it's called the Place de la Poste, which basically just means like the post square, I think, in French. Actually, when it first opened, it was a garden, and then they changed it into more of a public square. This whole little section was developed by the French when they took over back in 1863. We got the first police headquarters over there. This used to be the first hotel in the city, Hotel Manolis. And over here we got, that used to be the Bank of Indochina, one of the first banks, if not the first bank, in Cambodia. So back in the late 1800s, this was all the French district. This was kind of the heart of the French district in Phnom Penh. All right, let's talk about the design of the building. It's neoclassical design, which basically means like new classical, kind of copied the classical styles from ancient Greece and Rome. You can see the archways. That's a classic Roman architectural thing. They call it a Roman arch. And if you look at the very top of the building, you can see an array of loudspeakers. Those were put in sometime in the 1940s. They used to have another little tower on top of that with like a dome roof, but I guess they wanted some speakers so they could talk to people, I don't know. But you can also see from this old photo that the building was much smaller back then. They added these two wings, the north and south wing, sometime in the 1930s, and they actually added an extra floor to them in the 1990s. So they used to just be one floor, now they're two floors. Okay, let's go inside. Let's go inside, and I've never been inside, and honestly, I don't think I've ever even seen a photo of the inside of this, so it might be shit. Let's keep it a little on the down low. Let's see what this thing looks like. Oh, this is real sweet. Look at this giant compass. Beautiful. Post box for letters. Some shipping stuff over here. Guess you can get things shipped, which is cool. Oh, they got souvenirs. That's cute. Bamboo straws, chopsticks. Hello. Information desk. I guess I'll ask her about things. There's a bit of a bank in here. I just love these old school windows, the shuttered windows. And we got this Starbucks. Ew, what is that? That looks kind of, I don't know about that. Oh, WC. A beautiful hallway for a WC. Quiet down here too. We're not going to film in the WC, but that's about all the building that we can access. There's offices upstairs. They probably don't want me wandering around up there. Let's go see if we can figure out this P.O. box now. Hello. I want to open a P.O. box.
P.O. box?
Yeah.
This?
No, it's like a P.O. box is like where I can have mail come to here for me.
Yes.
I pay for a box for mail to come for me.
Okay, wait a minute.
You know. All right, she called somebody from the office. Told me to wait. How much does it cost?
1 year, $15.
$15. Okay.
And you open you must pay 2 years.
2 year.
Okay, $30.
Oh. You have to have it for a 2-year minimum. Ah. Okay.
Okay.
Fill out forms. Check it. I got a key. She's gonna show me. She said, oh, over there maybe? The lady's gotta show it to me. She said, come out here, turn right. I don't know where I'm going. Maybe over here? So, apparently this is where I go to open my P.O. box. It says P.O. box. We're deep in the bowels of yes, this is awesome. I found my key, and we're number 1025. Look at these little stools you can sit on. Says it's closed. I guess I'm ripping this off. And opening it? I don't know. Yes, sweet. Oh, there's something in here. Wow, that was fast. You guys sent me something already? Lisa Smith. Oh. Alright, heads up. Anybody know Elisa M. Smith? I got a letter for you.
Hello?
Hello. Oh, someone's old letter.
Okay, old. No problem.
July last year.
Yeah.
It's okay. Did you leave it or?
Up to you. You put inside or take out.
Okay. I don't know. So if anything comes, it will come in here.
Yes.
I come and look myself.
Yes.
And will anybody call me?
No call to
I just
you.
come
You
in
can-
and check.
If you want to know to have or no, you can call to me. I check for you.
Oh,
Okay. If you know time for check,
okay.
but general, you can take yourself.
Yeah.
Open yourself.
What if something big?
Big, the letter invite you, and you take the letter, go outside, counter 18 or 19, no problem.
Counter 18 or 19?
Yeah, I show you.
Okay.
I take the money for change.
Oh.
You're out. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank you very much. Have a good day. All right, what a lovely lady. Super friendly, easy to do that. Very helpful. $30 for 2 years. You have to get 2 years. You can't get 1 year. I think after 2 years you can renew it for 1 year, but they want you locked in for 2 years if you're going to do it. Let's go over to the Starbucks, sit down, and talk about this. $3.25 Americano, size of a little kitty cup. That's Starbucks for you. I don't understand why people love Starbucks so much. The coffee's not that great. I mean, it's okay. It's fine. Sitting outside the Starbucks here because it was too quiet inside and I didn't want to be the fool recording himself. Nobody out here, so I can talk to you guys about my P.O. box. Pretty excited about it. I mean, as excited one can be about getting a box in a post office. Comes with a free piece of cardboard keychain. Pretty sweet. Now what I need from you guys is to send me something so I have something to look at. If I just keep coming here, showing up, opening the box and it's empty, I'm just gonna be so sad. So I guess I gotta put my address out there. I'm gonna just show you guys on the camera, and because I don't really want to print it. I don't know why, but I want to print it in YouTube so it's Google searchable. Because I don't even like using my full name. But I'll show you what it is on camera. You can write it down, pause it, figure it out. There you go. This is it. Can you see that? It's probably easier to take a photo of it and just show it. If you want to send me something, That's what you need to write on the envelope. Or envelope, you know, it's up to you. Envelope. It can be whatever size. The box is small, but they will put a letter in there saying you got something bigger and you go pick it up. Yeah, send me something cool. Nothing crazy, but it'd be cool to get some, like, I don't know, fan mail? That seems weird. But I also get a lot of emails from people who want to advertise their products on my channel, and you know, I charge a rate for that. Some companies are small, they don't have money for it, so I'm gonna tell them I will feature your product in a video, send it to me here. It doesn't cost you anything, all it costs you is the product. And basically in, I'd say, a month or two, I'm gonna come back here, I'm gonna open that box, and I'm gonna take everything that I have, and we'll do another video, a follow-up video, what's in my P.O. box. Hopefully we get something cool, hopefully some stuff from you guys, and yeah, I mean, we'll see, it'll be fun. It's a fun thing, right? Stay tuned. Future video, P.O. box, Cambodia, and I'll pop open the box and see what's in there. Oh, and another thing, don't send me illegal things. I could get in really serious trouble for that. That's it. Take care. Comb your hair. I'm out. I'm gonna sit back inside where the AC is pumping and the sweat is a little bit less, you know, because it is hot out here. I can't even touch this table.
Don't get blinded by the media. I'd rather be myself, take flight, got a speedy on speed dial. And meanwhile, my dream right beside me with a smile. She like Destiny Child.